I'll guide you step by step on how to earn money easily and quickly using Swagbucks. First, download and open the application. Once you enable it, you'll encounter an interface featuring options like Google Update.exe. You'll be prompted to enable location settings first while using the app and then always. After enabling these, return to the app, where you'll notice it asking for several permissions, including access to your camera. Though it's unclear why this is needed, keep this in mind as we proceed. Next, you'll find various features like daily polls and daily searches. By clicking on these, you'll load a list of activities or surveys you can complete. To unlock all the features, you must finish at least one survey. Once completed, additional options become available. Scroll down and you'll see attempted surveys listed. You can complete them by verifying your phone number or email, though we're only reviewing the app here. Be cautious about sharing personal information on third-party apps or websites. Only do so at your own risk. Now, let's talk about the earning potential. You can earn SB points with 250 SB, typically available for certain tasks. Click on Get Now to start earning. However, you must verify your account to cash out rewards. Additionally, the app offers cashback options that require you to grant permissions. It's worth noting that the app requests a significant number of permissions, including critical ones like display over other apps. To enable this, you'll need to navigate to your settings and grant the necessary permissions. The app also features a Refer and Earn program, which I found impressive. When you refer friends, you earn 10% of their lifetime earnings. For example, if they earn $1,000, you'll receive $100. This feature is common in many apps but remains a great way to boost your earnings. Swagbucks is especially popular in the USA, where it's widely used. While it's a legitimate earning app, the excessive permission requests may raise concerns. Always proceed carefully when providing personal information. I've given you a completely honest review of this app. If you have any doubts about it or similar apps, feel free to comment and I'll try to help. On this channel, we explore the best applications from the Play Store without any promotional bias and give you straightforward, genuine insights. If you found this helpful and want to discover more tech-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.